So let's start with making peppermint milk. In a saucepan, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of oat milk. You can use any plant-based milk of your choice. To this, I'm going to add 1 sprig of mint. You can use peppermint or spearmint, whichever available. If you like your matcha to be sweet, add a few teaspoons of maple syrup. Now let's warm this up over the medium-low heat. Let it simmer slowly to infuse all the mint flavor to the milk. Meanwhile, let's prepare the matcha. Into a small bowl, shift 1 teaspoon of matcha powder and pour 1/4 cup of hot water. I'm going to whisk them together until smooth. Now the oat milk should be nice and warm. I'm going to discard the mint sprig and froth the milk. I'm using this hand frother. And now it's time to assemble. Into a cup, let's transfer the frothed milk and pour the matcha over it. It's optional, but I like to add the mint leaves on top for the garnish. So now Peppermint Matcha Latte is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!